Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to channel for all things two-wheelers. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400. Known for its power and performance, the Dominar series has always set the benchmark for sport touring bikes in India. Let's find out if the 2025 version lives up to the hype. Engine and performance. The 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400 packs a 373.3cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine delivering 40 PS of power and 35 Nm of torque. With a refined ECU and slipper clutch, the bike ensures smooth gear shifts and a thrilling riding experience. Whether you're cruising at low speeds or ripping through highways, the Dominar 400 feels responsive and powerful. Design and features. Bajaj has retained the muscular aesthetic while adding subtle design upgrades. The all-LED lighting system, sculpted fuel tank and split seats give it a premium look. New features include a TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation and a USB charging port, making it perfect for long-distance touring. Ride and handling. With its perimeter frame and upgraded USD front forks, the Dominar 400 offers improved stability and precise handling. The dual-channel ABS and radial tires provide excellent braking performance, ensuring safety on both highways and tricky terrains. Its comfortable ergonomics make it an ideal choice for both city commutes and long rides. Mileage and price. Bajaj claims an impressive mileage of around 30 km/L for this powerhouse. Priced at 2.5 lakhs ex-showroom, the 2025 Dominar 400 offers unmatched value in its segment, combining performance, style, and features. Conclusion. The 2025 Bajaj Dominar 400 is a true all-rounder, blending power, comfort, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're a solo adventurer or a daily commuter, this bike ticks all the boxes. Thank you for tuning in to Bike Zone Pro. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting bike content. Ride safe, and see you next time.